Nongelam kaliang persya Dr Mukul sangma ula Kynnoh ya ka Sorkar MDA balayalam da ka NPP bakala khang kerdap ya ki office bat a shuti kput khanang ban lait na ka ba siew ki nongtrei Sorkar bagi kontraktor shwa ka Christmas habak kren shakilat pthai kubor ha ka shipau trik kalalingkan Mukul ula bu jingkli ya ka rukam penyait pisa tingka jong ka Sorkar da ka baong hatu POE ha ka history jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka balakhang ki office bat phat krat shwa ka Christmas ka Sorkar kam dan pisa hadu ka khat khanda trik no pra kim dan pisa shu dei na kata ka daw kila khang no ki office na kata ka daw kila ashuti ha ka arpu ar bat arpu lai trik no pra ula benram Mukul upen kan mau ha ka por ba udang longkum umintri rang ba da ka baong ngaken mau ha kapor bang gidang don ha ka Sorkar ngajusyong ha ka office u chief minister ki officer ha po treasury pinyo i bagi tray baro shimit baro kila sakhi ya kata ka de ka jing sakhi jong ka jinglong hok ka jongi ha ka ba a jing shakri ki briu jongi ha bakken tho ya ka rai jong ka Sorkar ban pun bana shuti ula ong ka jing pun bana shuti ka deban rai da ka kinhun menteri da ka ba pensyong nongrim kat kum ka an kam desa tia ka ka bala ban le hala ka man ula tenru ru ya umintri rangba ka jela ban pen pau ya ka jingdan pisa jong ka Sorkar da ka ba ong kali ya umintri rangba halor ka ni bat lada unut ban pen i ya ka jingdan pisa ngalapet ya ki bank account jong man la ki bank baka Sorkar ka bu pisa kim dan pisa satya kumta kila khang kerdap ya ki office Nalor kata uni unongalam liang persya ulakin tho ru ya ka Sorkar jela halor ka jingpulam ha ka ba pendan kam ya ka MLA scheme da ka ba ong baka de ka sin ka baningkong ha ka history ka jela baya kum kini ki song pisa om shim la plai shwa ka Christmas ha ka sin ka baningkong ha ka history jong ka jela Meghalaya baya ka MLA scheme om shim la pendan kam shwa jong ubnai no pra lani shwa ka Christmas Nadu ka por ba uba bibi lingdo rastang ya ka program hadu menta om dan uweiru ha ka history jong Meghalaya ki bom sham la polite ya ka scheme SRWP kani ka de ka sin ka beningkong Mukul ulapun pau ya ka jing lingo ba sham la yop diang ya ka no ko shiti ban a ya ka scheme SRWP da ka ba ong ngampat sham la yop diang ya ka shiti ban a ya ka scheme SRWP kat hadu kini kesingi ngala kelia ki parlok jonga ki dekhot ki yeng dorbar ki don ki ba ong ba kila yop diang hatu kila ay ki ni shithi da ka budget kerpang
Have you seen in the history of Meghalaya government closing down the office and running away before Christmas? Have you seen? The government doesn't have money. By 19th, they didn't have money anymore. That's why they closed the office. That's why they have given holiday on the 22nd and 23rd. Have you seen any time in the preceding years from the inception of the state, offices being closed on 22nd, 23rd? I remember when we were in the government, I used to sit in the CM's office, still receive phone calls from every district, from every department. If fund has not been released, if it is stuck with finance, we will still continue to see that it reaches till the last moment, past midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning. Officers in the treasury, you will see them, working whole night. Everybody have witnessed it. That is the testimony of our honesty towards serving our people. But this time, December 18 was holiday, 19 working day, Saturday holiday, Sunday holiday, 21st, then 22nd holiday, 23rd holiday. Who has given the authority to give to the government to declare that 22nd and 23rd as a holiday? Yes, who has given them the authority? Every office is in the interest of public, not in the interest of the government who is running the show. No. We are paid. The government employees are paid. Today, because they want to deprive the people from receiving what is their entitlement from government payments, to deprive them, they closed the office. Because the money was not there. You check the bank account. I have checked the bank account. Okay? I have checked the bank account of every bank where the government money is deposited. They didn't have money. So they closed the office. Ask the Chief Minister about this comment. Yes. And if he dare, let him show the accounts. So, when you say compensatory holiday, only on those days when crucial work is not required. When the officers, like in between Christmas and New Year, we always say that, okay, this will be declared holiday and this will be compensatory holiday. Declaration of holiday has to be decided by the cabinet based on the mandate of the law. It is not something which can be done whimsically. So, and another one, I will tell you, for the first time in the history of Meghalaya, MLA schemes couldn't be utilized in this in the year before December, before Christmas. Our Reverend led Bibilingo while he was Chief Minister. He understood the need of this so-called certain local area development fund for the MLS. SRW. He initiated this. And this was also adopted by Parliament as a local area development for MPs. Since then, since the time when led Bibilingo started this program, till date, nowhere in the history of Meghalaya SRWP has not been released. It has never happened. This is the first time. And in fact, I was asking the MLS, have the government failed to send letters to the MLS? I have not received letter to submit special rural works program till date. So I asked my colleague members of the house. They said we also haven't received. Then somebody said, but we heard that somebody has received. Have they issued these letters also selectively? Now, once budget is passed, one allocation is indicated to the department. Department will always write letters and inform the department, and in the letter, in the information, they will reflect the allocation, based on which the schemes are prepared and submitted. But this government has failed to do so. And government funds are being used whimsically. I have seen one example. I have seen Chief Minister posting in his social media page saying that, oh, he met these cricketers and they were playing and they didn't have a cricket set, so they requested him, and so after a few days he went back and gave them cricket set. It was carried by media, including all the medias. What is this? Government has initiated a very effective program during my time, wherein the state government used to release funds to all the districts under the chairmanship of the respective deputy commissioners in the name of fund which was put under the management of District Sports Promotion Society, of which the chairman is the deputy commissioner and the member secretary is the district sports officer. Crores of rupees. You do RTI, you find out from the office. Nobody had to even go to the directorate office. They have to only go to the district sports officer, apply for those programs to be supported from the fund which was provided for every district under the provided guidelines.